The supply chain vaults are opening up, and we are tearing into Apple's next monster desktop, the upcoming M5 Mac Mini. Massive architectural leaks, unexpected pricing updates, and insider data directly from production lines reveal exactly why this tiny machine is going to completely alter your desktop workflow. We are talking about custom hardware accelerators built directly into the silicon, major wireless standard updates, and a radical upgrade to the baseline storage configuration. By the time this complete breakdown is finished, you will know exactly when it drops, how much it will cost, and why the next generation architecture changes everything. Let's look at the actual silicon running the show, because this is where a brand new desktop strategy is being rewritten. The upcoming Mac Mini is moving to the M5 and M5 Pro processors. If you are looking at standard tech spec sheets and thinking it's just another minor speed bump, you are completely missing the big picture. While the M5 generation stays on a 3-nanometer architecture, it is moving to an advanced version of the manufacturing process, completely redesigning how the chip handles heavy computing loads. The absolute headline feature of the base M5 chip is a dedicated, hardware-level neural accelerator baked right into every single graphics core. This isn't just a marketing buzzword for basic tasks. Internal data shows that this architecture delivers up to an insane 3.5 times increase in artificial intelligence processing performance compared to prior generations. For creators, developers, and tech power users, this translates to massive real-world execution speed. We are talking about near-instantaneous local rendering, lightning-fast automated video tracking, and on-device machine learning that doesn't need to ping a cloud server every time you execute a complex command. But what if you need absolute pro-grade performance? That is where the M5 Pro Mac Mini steps onto the stage, and the leaked hardware configuration is nothing short of a desktop powerhouse. The M5 Pro variant is slated to feature up to an 18-core central processing unit and a massive 20-core graphics processing unit utilizing a brand-new super-core layout. This design splits the workload between 6 hyper-efficient cores and 12 raw performance cores. If you are a software developer running massive virtual containers, a music producer stacking hundreds of high-latency tracks, or a video editor grading multi-stream 4K video footage, this mini machine is built to handle sustained, heavy thermal loads without breaking a sweat or sounding like a jet engine on your desk. Memory bandwidth is also getting a massive shot of adrenaline. The base M5 chip jumps to a spectacular 153 gigabytes per second of unified memory bandwidth. That is an approximate 30% leap over previous generations, ensuring that data moves between the processors and the accelerators with virtually zero latency bottlenecks. Now, let's address the reality of the global hardware landscape, because you might be wondering why this machine didn't drop during recent summer events. The real answer lies deep within the global supply chain. Right now, enterprise artificial intelligence projects are devouring global high-density memory and flash storage components at an unprecedented rate. This massive, commercial-driven component crunch has created serious production bottlenecks for high-memory consumer devices, because the current computer lines are selling incredibly well and filling commercial backlogs. The desktop rollout was held back to secure completely stable component pipelines. However, this exact component bottleneck has forced a fascinating engineering pivot that actually benefits you, the consumer. According to supply chain insiders, the old restrictive 256 gigabyte baseline storage option is being completely abandoned. The upcoming standard M5 Mac Mini will officially ship with 16 gigabytes of unified memory and a much faster 512 gigabyte solid-state drive as the bare minimum configuration. By streamlining assembly lines and eliminating lower-tier storage configurations, production efficiency can be maximized during this global chip squeeze. For premium buyers, this means you no longer have to pay a massive luxury tax just to get a functional, modern amount of baseline storage. If you step up to the M5 Pro model, you can expect options stretching all the way up to a massive 8-terabyte internal drive. Let's talk about the physical layout and connectivity. Because a powerhouse chip is only as good as the ports it connects to, externally, the M5 Mac Mini will retain the ultra-compact 5x5-inch footprint that completely redefined the desktop aesthetic recently. It is an engineering marvel that fits a full workstation into a chassis that easily slides under a monitor or inside a minimal desk setup. On the front panel, you will get quick, convenient access to two Type-C ports operating at a fast 10 gigabytes per second, alongside a high-impedance 3.5mm audio jack perfect for premium studio headphones. Around the back, the connectivity story splits depending on which silicon tier you choose. The standard M5 model will feature 3 high-speed Thunderbolt 4 ports, a dedicated HDMI port, and a gigabit Ethernet port, with an available 10 gigabit upgrade for high-speed network-attached storage configurations. But if you opt for the M5 Pro powerhouse, full Thunderbolt 5 support is being unlocked. Thunderbolt 5 is an absolute game-changer for high-end desktop workflows, pushing bidirectional data transfer speeds up to an astonishing 80 gigabytes per second, and allowing a special boost mode of up to 120 gigabytes per second for massive display setups. This means an M5 Pro Mac Mini can effortlessly drive multiple high-resolution, high-refresh rate Pro monitors simultaneously without sacrificing an ounce of data bandwidth on your external storage arrays. Wireless connectivity is matching these hardwired upgrades step for step. The M5 Mac Mini lineup is officially integrating cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 technology. If you have upgraded your home or office infrastructure to a Wi-Fi 7 router, this machine will unlock massive channel bandwidths, dramatically reducing local interference and boosting wireless file transfer speeds to near hardwired levels. When it comes to pricing, a highly strategic game is being played. Because the baseline storage is doubling to a 512 gigabyte drive, there is minor upward pressure on component costs. However, to keep this the ultimate value proposition in desktop computing, the standard M5 model is projected to maintain an incredibly aggressive entry price point, hovering right around that sweet spot of $600 to $700. This makes it an absolute steal for the sheer amount of next-generation processing power you get. Now, if you look at the M5 Pro configuration with its advanced controllers and enhanced cooling requirements, expect a premium pricing structure that reflects its workstation status, likely starting closer to $1,300 to $1,500, depending on how much unified memory you stack at checkout. When you look at the total package, the upcoming M5 Mac Mini isn't just an iterative update. It is an architectural leap forward that makes holding off on a desktop purchase right now the smartest move you can make. From the hardware-level Neural Accelerators to the massive jump in baseline storage and the unmatched speed of Thunderbolt 5 on the Pro model, this tiny machine is engineered to dominate the desktop market for years to come. Tell me what you think about these upgrades. Let me know if you are holding out for the baseline model or the raw power of the Pro version, and I will see you in the very next breakdown.